You've got to be one of the reasons to inspire me to be part of
You know, you're not allowed to
Sarkar
lie
3.
at this press conference.
Am I lying? You think, am I lying? Not at all, sir. And to go a bit more detailed into that, if I may badly imitate you, Ramu, sir. I remember I was, as much as flattered I was when I got a call for Sarkar 3, but I was wondering that, I was really curious to know what the role is going to be. And so when I walked into his office and I sat down, he said, "This fair and lovely walk that you've just done, I just want to cut it. I think let's show you in a light that we've not seen you before. Let's see if the same fair and lovely girl can just pick up a gun and just shoot."
You said fair and lovely walk.
Yes.
Didn't you notice all the lizards and the turtles on the floor?
Exactly.
This guy has snakes and lizards loafing around on the floor of his office.
Maybe it was not that
It's so intimidating.
catwalk. I was just trying to flip over those lizards and all. So, I think I didn't have to think at all the moment I heard the role. And oh God, did I miss something?
You didn't have to think at all?
I didn't have to think at all. Even on the set. So I asked him, I said, "Sir, any homework you want me to do? Anything?" "No, just come. Just come on the set." So I said, "Okay, sir." So, and I think here it is. I think it's just time just flies, and didn't even realize when it was one of the most quickest shoots I've ever done. And to be a part of Sarkar with Amit sir helming it, with Jackie sir, with such stalwarts, and Ramu
There are two
sir
Amits here. Just be specific, please.
Yes, Amit sir. I think I couldn't have asked more. It's one of those rare opportunities which goes down with you, I think, years later, that I got to be a part of a franchise called Sarkar, and I think it just says it all. So thank you, Ramu sir, for this.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscutTV.